Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify payment gateways. Whether you're launching a new online store or expanding your payment options to accommodate more customers, having the right payment gateways in place is essential for smooth transactions and better conversion rates. First, open your browser and head over to Shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the store where you want to configure payment settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your store, from shipping to checkout preferences. Once you're in the settings area, focus again on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find several options listed. Click on Payments. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how customers pay for their orders, and it's where you'll configure both Shopify's native payment solution and any third-party gateways. Now, you'll notice two main options available. The first is Shopify Payments, which is Shopify's built-in payment processor. The second is Other Payment Methods, which allows you to integrate third-party providers. If you want to set up Shopify Payments, simply click on Add Account. You'll be prompted to provide your bank account details so Shopify can deposit your earnings directly. Fill in the required information carefully, then click Save. This option is often the easiest and most seamless way to accept payments, as it integrates directly with your store without extra fees or complicated setups. If you'd like to offer additional payment methods beyond Shopify Payments, go back to the Payments page and click on Add Payment Methods. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to connect other processors that your customers might prefer. For example, let's say you want to search for MasterCard-compatible options. Type MasterCard into the search bar and browse through the available payment methods that appear. For this demonstration, let's try Bankful. Click on it to view more details about the gateway. Once you've reviewed the information and you're ready to proceed, click Install. This will initiate the integration process. A new tab will open, showing you what permissions the app will need to access within your Shopify store. Review these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with what the app can access, then click Install to confirm. This step is important because it establishes the connection between your store and the payment provider. Now, after the installation completes, you'll need to log in to your Bankful account. Enter your Bankful login credentials to authenticate the connection. Once you successfully log in, Bankful will be added as a new payment method in your Shopify store. This means customers will now see this option at checkout, giving them more flexibility in how they complete their purchase. And that's it. You've successfully set up Shopify payment gateways, giving your store the ability to accept payments through multiple channels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.